guys, we're back. Sorry again, we keep
delays.
But now I brought that with me, so we're actually gonna get you some footage.
We're starting to get somewhere there, but now we just gotta kind of make everything look pretty.
But we're basically buttoning it up. We did get the heat exchanger up front done, and obviously the belt's on now and the pulley.
Oh, I know what they did in that video. They took a big zip tie and put it around all three of these.
Oh yeah.
And that's why it looked so
clean.
But the new hose for this was really long, so we had to like snake it underneath, and if we didn't zip tie it, it rubs up against the belt and the pulleys. Then it comes up over top. Now these are just very, very, very lightly plugged right now. Actually, they're kind of a little bit of vacuum, but it's just standard quick connect fittings. But we just have to go, like Nick said, run. So we're just plugging them for now, just to take precautions. We've got the IAT2 harness all plugged up, so this is going to plug into the MAF. That'll be coming up shortly. We're getting close.
Yeah, but we're going to go run and grab this stuff, but when we get back we'll give you another update of what we're about to do, and then we'll set you up on the big old tripod over there so you can actually see what's going on.
And we might even get the first start today.
Yes. We'll see. Alright guys, we've gotten a lot of stuff done. Most of the hoses are done. Andy's working on the coolant pump for the supercharger. Got to cut a bunch of stuff up to make it fit, so. How you feeling, Andy?
I just don't know if I cut enough. I mean, as you can see, this plastic shroud down here, all these little pieces, there's a pretty good chunk that I cut out, but I just don't know if it's enough. But I don't want to cut too much because it'll be pointless. Yeah. But I don't know where these connect exactly, so I feel like that gives it enough. But man, that's got some pressure on it to connect to that hose. Yeah. That's gonna have some oomph to it, but whatever. I think we should be good. So I think we're good to go ahead and install the reservoir and the pump and get all this connected, and then really the only thing left to do is the throttle body, cold air intake and all that, and then we're done. And top it off with fluid and everything else, and then we can flash this tune and crank her up for the first time in over a week. It's gonna be obnoxious because you guys haven't, I don't know if you guys knew, but I mean this whole engine was like ripped apart, and it had only been started twice after that, and then we had everything off to do this install, and it hasn't been started in over a week.
Throw this throttle body on, the cold air intake, and we'll get back to you. Right at the level. All right. I think we're good. We're good. Yee yee.